sika nso hye bibi mu emfaso ba udi bi sa ana shares no ete se de wankasa wasi dan na mmiri bia no ode henhan kakra emfaso na eba no udidi hu na de ma ne ye fa ne se dachi kura wuni ho a utimi gya ede ma oyire utimi gya ede ma wabusua utimi gya ede ma oma se de be ya ohia aso ebe den ebetu ewo fie ewo busua num nti se bre se opepe bi papa di usika hye na aboa one aboa odachi se de be ya dachi oma ene wabusua enye mobodia na ye dwabin bank ye shares no ti ye twin safre obibia obi so wo no ma oba ababebi account ewo dwabin bank ebe ye se afini mfie mi no mfie mi ensa mfie nan mri bebre mu se bre ontimi to anamo mai to bensa ne bank na accounts no eye inactive anase enhyeda nya dwuma se de tie na se bre ye to ye nsafro ko any of our branches o kwafa o Ghana card no ko uduru ho ye beboa na ya reactivate account na mo se de be ya dachi bia se o hia besia bia bank no so ye betimi e de amount se bre ya to ye nsa afre obi bia wa account o wa oba mu ache bomodi abra na be reactivate account no 2 enya de nso a waba dwabin banka ko any of our branches na ko be account obi e savings na mfaso bebre e wo ho se bre ya to ye nsa frɛ churches bi onso obetwam edan no omusi ye ache mfihia bebre enso churchi enya de a building no yetumi atoa so dwabin bank ye to ye nsa frɛ se church no mpanyifo mo ntom nsa momra dwabin bank any of our branches your product be a friend church development account oba ye beboa na yetimi ama usika ekwanim na watimi ama mfie nso ekwanim na watimi de asi wasori dan no ye kan so ye nka enya asempa loan obi kwa kwaji loan ho document a wode ko etise kuro na chese niema bebre document bebre ade chin fa we bra odi we ko yesi fa we bra ko fa down papers bra a ye niema bebre ansakra na edi loan na ma na edi loan mpo be ma no wanhwa na se niema bi na wokofa wo ukoyi wo airport sebri kra na di mortgage akano sebri dwabin bank ye to ensafro asempa loan eno e gina hoje udu ho ma na ya dani loan no ne ye de ahye wonsa de toso obi frɛ ne ntiani ana commitment fee bibia sai nim eno ani se uduru ho na ye di sika no e de amount say 100,000 Ghana cedis e sika be ka say 1 billion Ghana cedis uduru ho na ye kukuru sika na ahye wonsa ye de hye wonsa no e ye bibia ye de boa se be ya wunwuma no be kwa kire bi ko dwabin bank ye botai ni se enye nua nko an ye be ne pese ye reduce unemployment na ye boa ne create more job for medium and scale and even micro businesses and enterprises so that be ya omsika sem no ebe kwanim no matimi anya sika na unemployment a ebu se bre ewo man no so eno so aba form se bre ya tu en safre obi bia ye tree planting exercise ni egusu ye shares no so ye biem ato amfa so bebre ho ye so dormant account no braniary activity ma churches ye tu en safre ye nuanuma ewo magazine new road and all businesses ewo ebi baby bia bantama baby bia find yourself in there dwabin bank ye tu en safre say bomodi abra ne ani unya adwuma said be ya unyuma ebe kwanim eye loan a ye de ma wa ya sempa a interest bia ewo so no eye bibi kete na mpo commitment fee nim ana kofa collateral terms of bra ensu nim se be ma minyai eye no ma minua George na onom so ento so
ama friends association no na omoni ayi debe aso yi pa eni samde den ye ka chat ifo ni ahwefo nyina sika bi awo bia fa ba tu dwabe rural bank na de ba tu hono ma ye ntetew sika no ne pe no edin nti de koto bank bi na sebe okọ na sika ni nyina sa ha adwene Zamre no yen savings account yesu account no fa nkoto ba bia keke fa ba to dwabe rural bank oba yen once the client thing the be inflation association ampa enra omo bia account no na omo yese omo do members ni na so account no yeso ye de be eba Omanhene anopa ya na me ba no se bank e bie 830 enti anopa yi me manager na ebedi okudi djuma bi wo ba bi enti yeko bank won tempa yeduro na nipa be 10 no mu gina yedwo branch o mbo pram se ye nya start no so omo te se Sompa ye shares no announcement won se fasodie na wo so na de be so enti omo ba abato bi na so won ya de entempa na yebo prin omo ejeje omo Ghana card na yi na so nyamie bank no ama ese no ese one person go do so friends say free friends say temale and or tie or bani sister no about just bank was about be about to shares bi to Omanhene e chen say shares no say the na me boss sika no ipa bebe na nti ase na de be akonimu you see 50 pesos per share o de 100 cedis 200 5000 last week woman back 100,000 Ghana cedis Omanhene woman yi betoy na odi dance aja acha foforo which is Ghana for shares na see pa Omanhene brunya no so eye dura ka 2 months na ba enti adwadifo nyina no de ka ne say o de o ton ade wi a untime ma enim sekede tia Dubai adwoso market patase bebe na ho no mamutu mo nan aba banko na edi o de free cash collection services for no sales for no beba abaji sika na koto he de amount kade so koto account no ma Omanhene dwabe rural bank the only banker yanti SMS alert o ba e be hwew pepe de amount Ebatane ebatu idwana chiefo nyina tima ba no omne abedi sawoso dwaben ye chief palace adwoso so ye traffic light nsa nifa so bonwure ye taxi rank fumesa ye taxi station aboaso ye asante line adeshiman ye kejetia gate 3 sepe ye Gaku house Roman Hill ye Tonsu station Pankrono ye Pankrono market New Road ye Motown building onye ye Roman Catholic Omanhene telephone numbers ni 0544 74 58 56 0544 74 58 56 0243 18 20 24 0243 18 20 24 Omanhene yesore sudi ni aka cheche fo nyina nse wa won to shares ni nyina brande for Ghana card ebra dwaben rural bank na beto shares ni bi
Dada mo se dwaben rural bank na erade nkoso a no ntra mu hiem emfa emmamo na me kamfo ya toothbrush ene ya toothpaste e de amount se unya ya toothbrush a ebowra udodom kama kanka na hye osia se atwitwi mu kama anonti anope yas toothbrush and obia di twedesen na what yas toothpaste e de atoso ye wo in 3 variants total care toothpaste whitening toothpaste and herbal toothpaste ukodwa so a medino nya ba kope yas toothbrush yas toothpaste na what de ako efie na akoye ebusia ni nyinara Kingdom Herbal Center efie mako edunum nie ena yen yede Kingdom garlic capsules eba Ghana yen ye di kan ye de baye ye de no so de papa obia ni obeyi su Kingdom garlic edi kan no mai ya dwene mo honte de tremendous capsules aba infection hawo ne niema bia enkoye wo wabra bom titiro ubu nsa ne ye 10th ekina ye 21st one entimi nyina ye no na irregular menstrual cycle no na etima ye dey every ho e dey amount Kingdom ginseng power bema obe CPS sita obo atwuma ama oba no akamfo a wohia Kingdom ginseng power capsule eyi free wuntiri mu no ne ade amantiri no moja timi die fusane ma wutimi yire nchen kama is the male vitality enonto eno so ewo honomo afei Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters immune booster eno free also stress relief is afei anxiety sebia utimu na nyema bia se nyema da bia dwenensi so arthritis unkoto dwenom ne onompemu no ehonhono afei unsetimi yetitriti o pressure wo soro stroke anhwe ye be kama to abra wonom garlic no capsules ne bitters no ebema wuntini mu aye adwuma kamama moja de afrisania blood clot to be enkofa thrombosis emma linko lead to stroke heart diseases ahodo cholesterol no ntino sadia kota dem bomodinya kingdom garlic capsules and bitters na obedia dance pa your number is 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 Kingdom no challenger Bomodina say Kingdom Herbal Center wo Okaisi Drug Lane any all leading pharmacies and herbal shops no ewo Ghana hano obenya bi ato Time Herbal Mixture from Kenoga Clinic TIME for treatment of malaria, loss of appetite, and general bodily pains. Other for honam to 2 utia diani dia wanted the malaria ma wo unkoto dwemu nyina kagoma. Wo de TIME afeye the HH mixture capsules. Johnson why a drama Obama or Johnson urinary retention a biakem immune system or forming to yadia to every tontum car on our sneno. Afe eba and passoir. You are not performing well, my brother. Your brother, you are not performing well. Also to me Boachye. Now a dre both unisex and anti-shannon. 0244 417 669 0244 417 669. And I saw your sonny. I don't pay. I beg your fort nasi. You didn't commodino esh shesso. Echna Yame Adoma. That was said that. Ya minia kumana minia. Minia bow hini joining me nanka. You didn't come crafa a year. You can't say some patch of the hona. You be a channel papa, and near Boamane, Coco, as Auntie Boa near Jacumina, you better not say, ye didn't communicate crime, say, Bibi Cacranti, woman to me, I'm a coming, sir. Yo, my mamma bid your 4 crabber. Na, me must almost more to say. Crobia, na, party by power. Na, me who the amazing country. Ube papa. Some in whom baby are. We try any baby are me who crobia. So when you're there. Now, Mr. Wa, who body are me new shape and I'm in maintaining no crobia. Obia maintain your body and your shape.
I said, I one morning, man. You do not pay.
And this is for me. You will be just say, I'll be a fly. Ade, I feel your ham.
And
yes, trapper. Nay,
would you feel?
Oh, I'm defeated the information.
Was me to be. And I'm Mimpe. And some
and I dreaded ye. And I got your balance so mounted the away.
Let me say, what's on my
Overquabano.
Overquab, number 8. A horse number in the beard in the
when this one.
Nay, no one has what I come. Let me cry here. Man, you may any problem. That's what you're from Pambada.
Now, I also better say, pain because you
Now, last year, yes, our lifestyle, Nana, no Libana.
The last year, Sana or Yenya maybe. They see how I was say, or Yenya maybe the party about Palmo has a member in the I'm holding fault for.
I want no difference in it. Something in the shower, Debia.
Hey!
1 month as a senior, you shower.
Or anybody the any papa tears you.
Said the Tiana.
I wouldn't say go Chaswan the more now who pay the person, 70 years
more because we knew.
I'm random, so you
go. What did you have?
mama ne wo bushia 40 ba bi tie.
E ba bi se wa me.
So they are praying once you have a kakra no. I don't first you go se cost ba. I don't three more than tea. E bushia for me tie me.
E just
enyam fai. We have a tremor fa. If I'm metinka.
Oh my God.
But
today.
Basinia.
Now what to say?
Onyame adum. Mr. Makase. Me am yakwa drone empire me ntimi movie.
Aye.
But me yire ne masede.
Combo pa.
E be so me de bia.
That's right.
Bia. Nti me for video so. I say at least one ma enipa bia no mu nim pai bo no.
E hunu bo.
En no mu pai bo bo. Na me shira.
Ye da nyame ase.
Na me wa wura no ba ko me nua mpese me for video so.
Oh, chia mo ne enko na yenti jangu.
Me mpese me chia Director General. Oh, Narcotics Control Commission.
Okay.
Brigadier General Maxwell Manti.
Okay.
For the reforms in Yoma or the
Baho.
You know, Waunia Bolare and Joycelyn Dumas. Era Samijan Vinso appoint to as
ambassadors for Gold Board.
Gold jewelry.
Ah, yeah. Some jewelry, the way on base marketing across the world. Oh, my idea.
To a fast a random unity same. And then penny for the vision almost war. I've mentioned in Tiamwa. Forestry Services Division Regional Manager near Kwesi from Pone, the entire staff no CEO Dr. Brown Micho Mina. Mine also Michel. Maybe any regional minister with Tukwai. Until also
China.
China won't be for Conyasu Namachiano. But so about so when you do you before Conyasu Chianachia, regional chairman, Swetian Nechikakra to also before Filius.
Okay. Mame. Emma officially Dr. Hubert been person so Akwaba. Dr. Akwaba.
Yeah,
or your lecturer with KNUST.
My GTech for no friend.
Department of Sociology and Social Work. GTech for any day.
One friend.
Are they?
Since you could a PhD from for GTech.
But only or
my first degree Legon. My
second degree renowned doctor.
UCC.
And now more mafa.
Me PhD University of Auckland. Ogo ago humidin.
Ono de. When I me yemfa doctor wa betra ha. Who we are GTech for be frɛ wo.
Exactly.
Me kra me fa ma. Aye. If you are not
na my me kra.
Yemfa lawyer kra. Obu on man wa said that the lawyer to the
so
kra ma.
Bebre.
Menti ase say unye doctor. Okay, cause we doctor na ye dey.
Say be an honorary. You're honorary doctor, but no, you are not supposed to use it.
Or even write.
Debbie.
And so
because doctor Hubert been pursued. Or try dina. Obetimi the PhD assault. Wo won't me fan so.
Kase pa.
Omo de onu mo ye.
Me yire. Or try dina or the PhD so. PhD.
Okurabodin no.
Me yire or the so.
Okurabodin no.
Who the certificate a PhD so.
Yes.
Doctor. Oh yes, but on you.
You said the same thing.
On all say yeah no more much DNA I did not tell you soon more than. No. Ono no pay me kase o kanshi. Wo be ko o ton ni emo.
Hey,
share.
But the PhD no turn you man there okoji here.
O konkran one of the big murder case.
Okay.
Yes, Sky World.
Okay.
Wo be ko no.
Okay.
Or the PhD Holiday Inn any adwuma binum ni ade ba isi a e dey sika onya ho no holiday inn tintia
Exactly.
Aha. Eti nya so akwa bo PhD ntino.
I want asem no.
Go to no cash. Wo be ko na ni abre na nurses form na o ton ne ma.
Odini dwa.
Odini dwa. Atra ho.
Oman.
Ko bia wa.
No, you see, Oman, I never could say many aje ho because if you want to make it in life na ye bosunya ketua kwa na person survival.
Oh yeah.
And you be discount. No. We tell people because we are in a society where party for Soria from all political divide.
Oh babeje.
O na go fie and they could DC for ibe. Here obi say DC for sikaba ye. Yes ya mo 5 million Ghana cedi. The party for say oh when is skaba. Skaba abana about release that common fund account no.
Krata da ho
no. We see you. We do make provision for a drip machine se bet me twitwa kwaso. To be make district be.
Na kwani
na kwa ni ngasa je say
Enyo
no say scan buy no krata da ho wesen and the just what the IGF
And the
raising
Kokoye
fuel 3 days per so with motor fuel 100,000.
Okay, share and some fuel prices to drop significantly from November 1st. Comac, Fona, Ediabe Tuja. The Attorney General is engaging in populism, theatrics. Minority say Attorney General Namontua Wutu. Amwa. Ex-Buffer stock boss, wife, faces 24 charges for alleged 78 million Ghana cedi theft. Minority are filing motion to stop vetting of Bafo Bonnie until Tokono's case. The Akwa court no ombeye wie. Oma 7 say. Omu fi say. And some were honomo no. So omu ka so omu convert Bafo Bonnie as Chief Justice. Ebi mu fi say omu so yes semantics. Papa eche bi obeko pension. Omu twitwi mu a febedu ese Chief Justice no kra be di 2 months ne ko. Anasa entimi amaso kra. Enti omu so epeso omu twe papa no na ase. But the most important thing, one look fuel prices to drop, and then minority ni Attorney General. Omo fi say ekwan Attorney General enfa so edi asem wo public no. Onyai na onkaka asem wo court. Ono so fi say he is updating the public to know exactly what is happening. And okay, Dr. Mamisha say free ho. Second, Asempa, November 1st. Maybe that you see fuel prices to drop significant. Where do they significant?
Minia. Edasi. Eni akwanya ode amayen. Say ye meto ato adwen emfa Ghana mpuntu ho. Na obo adwuma.
Edasi.
Ena isi a osade sofusem so asa bata ho. Say nyame nshira.
Amen.
Ya follow media space nache into the oya na nyanwa experiences there. You have all what you need.
Thank you
to say true. Na menwan so me hu na che me chia no na me ka asem ba concern ma ba substantive issue no so onso o sha ase no list nipa obobo mu din ni nyina no nipa bi enu ho mo ye nipa keto awo nti so obetena ha no o ka so onya ahwe nti na nafu ayesa oboa
na we su kwa
no ni po cha cha omo me sha ase me nyi obi anche ano
doctor oso obechia Canadian no pay
me nya obi anche You're connected.
Almost so much money. I wanted to me. I take a Japan world to Mutana. And it's a very idea. And all the helicopter.
I know the cover. Yet to us, dog, yet to us.
Asem no, and say, full air dear, are fighting nipa, be a yim. Inchi. Say yan and TSA ye betty for prizes so I think say ye celebrate here any news. Now Oshe so far baby I know for prize wo kakra any baby a bigina no a good news for the country and as ye near ye sorry anopa bia ye to for you to car ye koba. The most important thing hear me to address this morning is the impact that reduction is going to make in the life of ordinary Ghanaian.
And most often than not, the impact we don't see it.
Naturally, anypa is selfish. It's part of our your DNA, if I should put it that way. Sure, you're too full ma.
Sompa FM.
GPRTU for team organizers or more strike. And no more demonstration. And also more meetings. So so abide say. On more kwan no monto fam me pa cho me boa ye tufu ma edwomfo ani adefo nyina se ne ya na ebetum a enne ya wudin be 30 minutes wura marketer na price asesa
you see atufu
you see obia ubusa se onan no asem bebusa ade we bo na mo se say o se ade wo ba no ante se atufu mu consistently that has been the trend. Now the reversal is not what we are getting. I believe a better for also. Omanhene inti busa ahun sa ade ntia. Enti na make say intrinsically nipa is selfish. ewiase obia na obi eye bibia dom dodo na no ni interest e wo mu first na me ya na de medi ho ya ne se ye nimpefe se for na ya te so no is going to have impact on ade na oton but okwa obenya justification say me ade we me kofa e 1 month ni awesome but the also me can me can na maka me kofa e 1 month ni e old stock enti ji say me kofa na ma bio wa na me hu ametima atete so that is the name I be kan and that is the reason why bia mintimi celebrating ne kese abra e betifu also but me dey minim say me tie me MPP ni kese but aban no e bo ne ho modern sesi ase almost anema we perform now ade ni ebetimi aya that is the question we need to interrogate ade ni ebetimi aya ye be unya direct impact in faso e wo reduction na aba no so okay baby ameti sesi a enra minu aba send the topics ne bre me say no ne be discuss no eno na madwene ho anadwo ni nyina dwuna e kwan bai ena as me ordinary person you see I life now until set to one na ye tie kura na enchene me ka se mi swan ade a na fie mi hu so moti sika to e ye enchene ni crazy because me ma me miss farming bibia wom me papa sunsun fidie
be ye necessity of a commodity very crucial
but as we sit here bibia my me ni padua ye ni pabia no ye diska na ye waduani a obedi unsu a yesi akra de akra che sema aba sachet water akra ye ja no ni padodo na window o se ya sha ase na ye de no mo chechire no mo abo no po chechire aha na wakoto kufu ne kra kakran o se free system no obehu bia na ye de aye block bibia even se si akra no nipa bebre mo hu ye mfrema kro mo hu me kra ya artificial because air condition yete ye se mfrema bia mfra bonten ma obi wo ha ni fie aircon ni car mu aircon ni office aircon opon sa ba fi asori kra wo ko no ebi mu wo ha say aircon nti bibia ye isu bia has been commodified nti se bibia ye isu bia ye sikasem dia these are some of the things ye nya mfrema fa homan ni ma yetimi humiye ba se ba na se edwemfo a driver for obia say on tina there so then what is the essence apart from some me am use me private car meto fu agum direct etu no enya so mfaso meto aminim say later say me fairly na say abase ye ni aya ka nyina but even with that me ankasa na mete ya no bibia me use bia me sa ato enti yesre se ka aban emfan hyehyeye bi mra obetimi dia se said the use they were significantly no nature say so bet kakra fan ama ye hu ye de ani be hu say so ate aban no so emfa kwan bi a obema sa emfaso na ye hu ofu no so e be reflect e wo ya bra bom hwe January aban bai ene se yete hei October end awie okay
remember the 1st November
ye hu faso ensonson ye bia wa banda da ne ene diem.
Why would you say that?
I didn't Omanhene.
Oh,
you're suffering to can correct.
You musam kusawa.
Oh, sir. Uncle Modian, you.
Audio didn't come.
Even though what your tier 40 tier 40 are bonting. But no.
Question now, Busano.
Okay, all them parts of my kind of Musa question. I didn't ask some of our brabum since I started January. Our brabum.
Oh, near my brasses.
Me kind in relation to the economy.
In relation to the economy,
yes.
But who's the sire or me dollars?
Another to on your gun and yana.
May a gun and I me did be I jadi and me de dollar a dija.
Okay.
It's my who's the sire.
And a day baby.
What's me ma back? My car we was asking.
The missing Diana as a centime your pen.
As a my dollar 7 as a summer bravo.
I reflect working car to the
Kenke. I'm in time me need doctors.
I did do an pan up.
Hey!
No me person me hu say asem na America na o man nte mase no me person me hu say asem na ya kan ya asem ehia
me te o kase de obesa o kire nyina na say
so mo mame
aban ne ba ebusu me duni
yes
ye nya a heavy impact say ebi anama brabo will say aban ba apeja ko say ama metima ka say menya nsunsuaso bia metimi de men say si so enu ana opesa oka
Sure. There were so many promises made by President Mahama.
but it's just 10 months
Agrobeso a.
busumi du
Agrobeso a.
agrobeso dia efra nopa
Busumi, I feel we are ending. I got 3 years.
Eh,
3 years, you know.
but
3.
are you expecting 1 year a complete
Sure.
transformation?
The difference between President Mahama administration, any other president or about Ghana, and say he came with experience.
Oh, okay. That if you say, me know
And that is how it is. He came with experience. What did president more than 4 years? And son was Aban because also was
6 months, and
6 months for president
July,
at Amos.
and son
Nyamemfa ne currency. And son or no answer between full 4 years. And the banana no bano. Or need any reason to give me a mimitia as a Ghanaian
an excuse.
excuse to say 10 months a pet.
It won't impact bia.
Meti ah na enema okan no emudi ahene no waye onema o de campaign pa no wo de me President Mahama wan campaign on any major policy to me it was ordinary campaign and other factors that brought him
24-hour economy. Enko konketenkete.
24-hour economy away
Enchase enko konketenkete they are distributing from November 1st.
okay
Omo chenko.
and uncle konke 24-hour economy no so ade
Kusita no say omuguso eye modality.
na onim say yeru agusita no ko onim ade obey what any interview in relation to
it's going to be very difficult a journey, but they will go through the journey.
me say
I can't cry.
onim ade a obeye oman
Onya sure.
Who there? Of course, you know better than the minim because what the other idea would you follow? That's your profession. Oh, you buta no ho ansem a it's going to be what difficult. Who as a head, you have to build confidence in us.
That's right.
So what kasa that way? Me ameti asema bambebu.
Okay.
So what kasa it's going to be difficult. Any adwuma na de ma no, a leader, one key thing about a leader is to solve problems. Now what the problem no, we can problem. What the campaign? I think I'm not sure whether it was even in their manifesto.
It was.
Okay, great. And see, abandoning and first of all, President Mahama had a trust in you. Oh, would you say obeti my man? Now, bana we media we now say it's going to be difficult. Any fan yeko. And to make actually will say, yes, fuel reduction, it needs to be celebrated. That one we can't joke with it. But abandoning fan say yeah. Semrebi, whatever he has to do to make the impact felt that is the angle I'm coming from. And yes, sir, the omo yene we directly related, but Minister of Education, Honorable Haruna Idrusu, he's one of the respected politicians in Ghana.
That's right.
Among 40 for higher positions, strategically. Shekwanya Dr. Educhum at the manage education sector. Opaya, Obia ye bomb pies or baby the president or vice president of Ghana. And crati entrinina o can wasem ewo way. Now we entrinui again when in Ghana here ye war incident obi at the school GS court. Sir, ni trinwi or Rastafarian, see enye no achim mota. Enti ode no call court. Na court e wuli ma ye bogu ye ji akra na, they say akra no is selling internationally. And cry to yefu, ye Yesusan. Yesusan, wonama na afin so botom. Utwa o chi na panyin bi ahwa no ayi no ayi ni say no ani age na wokọ. San wemu nya niema adi mpuntu nti ye wura Mahama. De American akosi ni say fuel reduction yadasi odi wabom homodin and factors are ade ba no President Mahama onisu control.
Okay, mami call Krobia ho mesa ba on chain for the next time. Krobia. Mami ti amobe.
Miro Adoroma. I started on a very good note. But deliberately started playing politics. but me pese me kamanati ase say doc so young ma ko achiri o ye akani basantini this year free man so ne putam wa wudi say edua a de bosome emfin wotwe ayakon no no for 10 months ntene no it takes magician Professor Hindu mu time and obetimi akunipa no asa enya no professor but yase obetimi akunipa no asa ede enya no enu mpoda bi wo wa etimi ji wo monsa. The reason is doctor should tell me say be the air course about issues of corruption had none our year
Buffer stock
former chief executive 24 charges against unknown Nere. NSS, check NSS. Osesbe, Miami,
Sompa FM.
Gifty Oware, she birthday party, Gifty or a fear Oware, a D birthday party of Ghana. Sabi, but be equity, can Japan, despite most standard. Abrabo Ben Wabo, Gifty from university. Abrabo Ben Wabo. When you say scano, son, you're more winning now. No, me visit and cabaka once, but you keep mute and try to play just politics. We say, and for Sudia Bena, so for Penny Omanhene Yaw Brabo, and what catch those as a first pan and a war. No, the 100,000 and what require 1.6 million.
1.6 billion.
1.6 billion. And the Akofa and Yomaka Kabia, and the Yika Krebia. And they know what the 1.2 to on your share crown, on your she instant no was over 40,000 Ghana cedis. We see an only significant. And do we equate 40,000 Ghana cedi to Dokono 5 Ghana cedi, 7 Ghana cedi? If this is no mischief, oh my, at the end of it to home. Oh, Kona, Uja, your friend say, common fund, bear 2-3 quarters. Namuntia assemblies near total broke nothing. Abayi baye within that short 10 months no. What to me a day at this municipality. The last time called public accounts committee, local government committee, UTA, doc UTA, Fisika bind the koto futum, so mufanya juma. Abayi campaign on decentralizing and yoma biya, a bit miama. District assemblies in any locals, no, about self-sufficient, no matter the manager or more. Government has done this. What sister la won't say? So one person be one here, and your choice one person be one, or be a Muslim. And dear, so we need to your not still on mine to way. Was your mind is a red, a blue, Saturday, blue and white, or be a more. And they would do any no, but the anybody do not be general. Ever who said they were mine say blue and white and a crop yes, green throughout. Ever more said the Okan. You are just being dishonest or intellectually dishonesty. One was at the end of sign up so that no. Again, can I phone call for be after the year maybe I never fair. Who was a Japan again? Baumia a Jomama government was only a rain. And you're not okay. Oh, Patrudia, Mahama bon homo de pa. And I'm so okay. I am a strategy. But I'm here they are crana. We have a contest to contend with. But we make no hemo. And then the idea, boy, a basu cranian, and you money, yeah, Kennedy boat, Baumia Boabu, a bomb from Fram. So they tell me be on between every year. And you may be a sir. But on my baby, I'm a Dr. Hibbert here. The impact of fuel reduction, exchange rate. I give a classical example of my own self. Now me used to Camry, your friend Owusu and Nibino. Because old type Nibino. But last year, almost 1.5 years, and I'm in me engine, me diabos na say boom. Esi estate junction fit them. And I'm kubisa fuel a engine. Na MPP time na dollar is 16, right? 15 point something to 16. It look rather a John Poco 17 cra. Mikubusaye. And I was an engineer. I was 20,000 last 90 minutes. I was 18. But my yes can go to Abayaba. Dollar no issue share, but form I do 10, 11. And they crab as I 10 something. Just enra. That be last week. Not dollar that one and I'm 10 oh. because we friends the same you know spare parts dealers the seller no ebu say they see ade nyame adum say engine na dey aba form pa o say da bi o 24,000 dollar here 15 point something to 16 and up to 100,000 here 1.5 billion dollar be do 10-11
Ukuta 10,000.
Ukuta 10,000 and the dollar be do 11 ukuta 10,000 here 1.1 billion and apart from that crown port charges in swing na day association from still engine na here 19,000 where dollar was 15 engine got 24,000 dollar is 10-11 you ask yourself and if this is no sheer wickedness and the nipa yetiri more thing and asantefo bi yetiri more thing ade we dey blame government one Ghana you need price control a determine prices of goods and services and to be able to trim that here mama say one classic example other schools do not recommend plastic troubles eba iya me buy ko secondary school me first born ko secondary school me tono 500 Ghana na dollar crowd number 12-13 dollar no so a day at about 10-11
say 1,002
1,002
within 2 weeks
within 2 weeks now within 2 weeks a 1,002
some box no plastic one 500 1,002
minia BBNCO ya dollar yan two more ya nya another one biem aye flight aye dollar but from fuel na drop
prices of flight they say how rate no first nanka o send o tena flight over 1 week to say be mekwa Accra next week Friday and I meet you na ka to say swat pa debi over to me and ne a compassion na hour say o twa flight for next week Friday on bet my catch say in and out no 3,800 4,000
yes me say last week
passion crowd dey and be mu na hour no
na be passion press you must say me say last week me say me kwa kra na me say oh me guy be na to check him me o say free big bumper to bumper me twa phone me twa na ne phone na 2005 wow o konkwa passion o say krobia na passion na wo tie me check hour 3,000 something 25 minutes me say for fuel bay
what was it 25 minutes
I am just tired and you say Ghana say hey, oh my Ghana and you o man yiko yi na you know we no obi suma me akra mo de e ko deliver de man and o man mister me o me twa ticket me call me for passion na 2,700
I lifestyle.
Oh, me say obi na suma me no be na suma o no twa man kasa 1,750 na zaka 50,080 me ba no that day na me person return no and am ye na hima na otweda no na I jump from 1,007 echo 2,003 something.
I said there's demand
and to my Ghana and at a room aba ejom plastic chop boss krokroa e 500 even 500 Ghana nimpo even 500 Ghana nimpo the profit margin that's all
and a 500 no send the profit margin that's why e call fan you 500 e be a 100 be
good
say no e 1,002
yes
it your profit almost about 700
to 800 so at 400 ko did 500 e 1,208
see a ton a plastic chobos ba could be 800 Ghana.
The question is sama me krom what dwom no ya sore panyin no okofo trotro na trotro so e bono
trotro driver ka say obere trotro on the other ka say ni more day
to me no kra kan
ni more day
this is Ghana for you and you obifo bi ka tell me say na krobia mama dollar sonte oso man ko di o my Ghana ye ho tire na so dey oso mo politicians mama dollar so tia say me to mo $200 million and I'm the adwuma I'll keep my money because me adwuma na boka on an alarmness no it was $1 no so tia said the Momo Castle, said the year for money be a woman, money a tiamo. Because one, can be a dollar no be kepunisika.
George, I say be paid.
Offer investment. And the Basana can 2 billion woman, not Kumasi for your money, the former, and so at your home money. Because $1 swati, petrol swati, pot charges now, and drop it huge.
Now the determinants that brings price increment. A conform. Yet prices are skyrocketing.
That is what I don't understand.
And no, minute like I say, government cannot bring price control because we are not in a junta government. Our buying say, "Obo don't come here now on the way." But a dear Ben, our buying so should think out of the box. Now, on Timinye Bibia, a bit more sustain because only. Sir, Mammy Foya or more complaining about free SHSCA. E wa buy no mo bo mutri so ko touch box say 1200. 2 Mami fo bebre su complain say omo emma ayi for
Sompa FM
Wood Village for sika amoma e chop box egu abai no stand accuse say abai no the contractor ma obi
No, the plastic.
and wa ko fa plastic chairs and plastic ayi
Troubles.
abe gum and a net womo
Webby.
and your men in a day. Omo artisans and near my academy.
Oh my, the Awaka Sabia, no, the person is not being truthful. Coming in the come the prospectus metro. I buy general prospectus and I buy the buy, I buy recommended the wooden troubles and the plastic troubles.
To the obey tomato.
And the headmasters and the headmistress for the say. Wooden troubles no at the in so gross
your back.
And the sun
And now they can once
also.
It's a wood plastic in the car. It's
And
a
yeah,
move from
San
buying
Romano.
insecticides.
And Sadio Mano. I don't about the contract come over.
That's how I buy it was.
And I just said any panel on your truthful. A politics no pass for the year. But you see, the reality is that the Biamaka say politicians, you see, you book a cra. Okay, sir, minority. Okay, say, yay, you want opposition. Okay, say, your opposition now. Can I, Katie Hammond, episode Yiba, price control on cement bar. Minority we didn't agree.
I'm one penny.
Sa position no man timi ho ase ye bepem ne se bia kasa se ne ya adwuma anka price control ne ka gradually ya dey yeah building no and we have majority and absolute majority in parliament masre aban ene aban mu mpanyimfo se ye bia yani na fa ye fa ensese ye mra eye price control omai se ya nye sa oh my Ghana I day and I got plastic troubles 400 the 500 now say a do pick and the pay a bonus for 500 and the 1,200 and baby did not do because school or ban credit what the troubles for conference so will be at the plastic in school
No,
troubles until you be compelled to buy the plastic one. What might be say Okotobi, Yanya Koto de $500 in the body on top.
Sompa
And
FM
I real prospectors in school now recommend this on budget plastic. No, and no call a doom ecoto, or comes 800. And all sell to show. Or Gina Jum was sent to show nano, and a shop owner or call or PA, and no friend attendant no shop on say plastic in chambers will make 1,800 or should be about 1,000.
And all the bedros.
Woman is in the hole. I've lost some patcho, but I trust a medical tobacco with the call. About 500, and my wife said, oh, 500, you go to Boston, they want to. 800, she said 1,002. And the impact by, I know my, me, fuel swati, petrol swati, diesel swati, flight, nobody. Your friend say, plastic troubles, a jum numa, the beer body, and Dr. Hubert Yagane, impact by the microbial diablo.
It's a move no one.
I had to go before. So what do you about the say there must be a sustainability of our current of our foreign currency, and then there has been a sustainability always the city is appreciating. The city is appreciating. The city is gradually doing well. And they 11 against $1, 1 cedi, your friend say,
10-8.
10-8, 10-8, 10-8, 10-8. And the impact of the neighbor, buy a milk, not get it so. Buy a sugar, the basic, and your manuma, or be a here be
basic necessities.
Food
Stuff.
Nakanina at it so. Nakamene Hibet, any was to do her, said you will be a way a day, and I know. And it is a word to me, and I Dr. Hibert Casimir, correct. Unim, or say Ghana had ye, or be a new or one new stock of that. Or pay up Buyas see near, or say old stock. There be a old stock, there be a old stock. And I'm a Toya, and I'm Toya, and I'm a Toya, and I'm Toya. Why ye are on to old stock in the oh, was that the Okoquaso? Okoquaso for one to go in. Because I was talking that way, man. Why ye are all the so stock? Now they will stock in the air. Come on, now they stock in the every good to one year. Miss Oh my Ghana. Miss Titrunia Santa Mai. Plastic Tobosi, Obokusun, and Obetman be 600 at all. Obakon cry, Obetman be 700 at all. I didn't buy any I come say, share and you may be what on my Tabalifo for Frukumasia. Bottle water. Tamalifo, the donor, almost stations now. Omulodu bottle water the co. Obako bottle water na. E wo ekromha ebia 5 Ghana cedi medium no. Obako tamale 4 cedi so far kromo. Kuma se na do ko.
And in faso asa eguso.
Ne faso da so 4 cedi so. Ofa fru kuma se chekeska bebre eno de ko tamale de beje 4 cedi. Enka common sense. Enka tire se kuma se de 5 fa. Tamale fa ni Sompa. But tamale instead e de 4. Me wa bottle company bi ensu wo yentwa bottle vodka other bottle water.
Okay.
And to the impact, we are not feeling it as citizens, as Ghanaians, devoid of politics. But the other, me say, yeah, pay with free. And she say, Biara, I'm not paying by your piano. Me person feel like I'm going to dinner feel. I say, I'm going to come way by because your majority, because it is absolute majority. As you see the price control bar, I buy a dumb. Our parliament.
Okay, yeah, let's look at the Attorney General and the legal issues that are coming up. Minority say, oh yeah, populism, dodo. Buffer stock boss and a wife. 24 charges of alleged 7 million theft. And a minority, so I file a motion to stop vetting. Mami, ain't you?
Oh my. Ade Akye, the second coming of President John Mahama. Omo ye ne se omo pese omo painti na ado administration no se omo bae no kro no nkwa no mbaba boy strategically se when ne wo Ghana ha obetima convince me say o pe charges e de abo obi anasa o pese obi to famra kwan so a ne handbags won fie kura no here kai ka ho. With all sincerity, we should be serious as a country. These are trivial issues, private matters that media engagement say ne bags won fie is amon na mo ya auditing won call for bedroom ana Kobia
no comment.
She said na me kan ne tofa nyina ne say strategically omo pese omo ya painting na ado administration no say tum omba bokro ye bokro no ye be wi ade ya me ya de pa bia wo Ghana ha na omonya media support. Okay, because me personally me samete before say ye beto abani nyina no largely na Ghana media fa omo ya against Nana-Addo administration. Enti omonya media support. Enti nam so omo nso nim so omonya media support enti every day omo gina abonten na omo engage media no. That is there be a yakwa akoduru sisi na minim say se yakasa obi ye corruptor emra mu no omo asem bi omo kan me de papa obia ye innocent
until proven guilty.
Exactly. Enti media we na we corrupt we ni akwachi we afa ha ye de si Ghana utimi ka se obi awi ade e bia up to 10,000 and 100,000 na bail condition na dey man e bia 1,000 cedis what be why because obi ade bia o wi bia no bail condition na dey man no generally will be higher than the SO omu ni any basis the omu ye ni nyina media attention omu siki so omu ye serious enka omu started with ora meboa to see ora virtually adwuma omu ye nyina amanfo discredit omu a free hono evidence because Mahama President Mahama buy no first major decision ye ora we na oye no up to 10 months ni ora for omu funding no ye dey ide enti Attorney General na me dey me ya ne say Attorney General if you are serious and ka omo buy no excuse me cases are na wo ho na pending no enko ametwa ni nyina angu okay Omanhene Pacho dey make what must major important cases are na wo ho nyina Attorney General bebogui Adena ama within short time ombeye so abofo also the state is no more interested state ni interested but see I don't be interested in other people's cases we are not serious and see just a way omo pesa Ghana for who say omo ba adwuma na we ya disika say ochina ya kwachi we ye money bill awonam kwa so kwa na asa akoso ano ene ade say omo evidence enough evidence Attorney General una ya aban na wote so no ne lawyer panyini kese a obi a hye wa aban mu the right thing is to take the person to court media Omanhene wo wote hai say oye media engagement na Sompa station kese mo de camera akosi ho na mo ba number report ma ade chekra wontimfo obi ntum Sir Joy echo report to Joy ebeye hu dede ebetena ha kan ma ade ache untimi mfo obi ntum there's an institutionalized way e was here the faso enunti eno wote ho se ye ntua ne ka nti se wache se o evidence e court de bibia evidence se ABC4 area akronfo omu wie sika even ground untimi ka so omo ya akronfo o se sika kodi omo nsem adwuma wo so omo fa de omo amfa anya go to court na court enfamra kwan so enfanye na adwuma Omanhene Chief Justice ade na ye kan okay me makanube stations baby the will is there to remove the woman mama no onti ase no onkotra ne ba bia enti obedi hia na nim adwuma aka mama no pese wo ye as Chief Justice awanya anwia oda so ne President Mahama Twema
he's contending the remover as a judge so Sisiano Omanhene John Mama by the recommendation of the committee was say stated misbehavior Omanhene John Mama also went ahead and removed the woman totally from being a judge. And Mame no say, quite do omo de born no, ye de born no say on to me nye Chief Justice. Na enema bi awaye no nso ani. Nembom say enema no enti no on to me and hold herself again as a justice of the Supreme Court. Nenka sa enema de born no kwadu no. And so watching the 2 million feelings. I mean, you are at Kane University. We have had Professor Elisa Obeye VC. Or that's all Kane University.
Sure. Or that's all.
And you thank Obeka Senko we as VC no. Old to me, Chadi. Bakwi the Oko ambassadorial appointment.
Yes,
Obri Danso. Before Obeka no.
Sure.
But why Aida?
VC pen.
Mekai Professor Adakwa.
Sure.
Entino say why you know as onono fi say why you me as Chief Justice. It does not stop me from being a judge.
Me know you are.
I don't know how content this is here.
Me know you are doing 100%. But Chief Justice, former Chief Justice, I was so anticipate his animal way a long time ago. Now, cycling, prepare in mind the life after all those decisions.
For many lawyers I've spoken to and many people of law, they never anticipated say you best say you know cry say to me a judge again.
No, but me name omomra. But to be a judge and a president of the land, to be a lawyer.
Or a judge.
To be a judge, they say appointment. Promotion or a appointment.
I say a promotion, but the
elements of appointment will.
Very good. And a promotion will.
Sure.
Appointment comes when maybe
or high court now.
Or high court.
Appeals court.
Now appeals court. No.
Yes.
And no a promotion.
Okay.
You have been selected to the next level. Say
Sure.
Sure. But even so appeals court now. Omanhene Yaw mama na do ko a ontimi nka se we disappoint you.
Anyway, you are right.
Ontimi nka se my yaw appeals court judge ene unye bibia te se bia DC a wayi na di. It is the profession and it is rank. It is appraiser. They hear say wo fata ye de wako it say obi inspector. Na be I the chief inspector. One dey make sure.
Yes.
By dint of hard work any promotion you mo ko any I the chief inspector. Obi timi nka say ye chief inspector na me IGP me buy no maje wo chief inspector no everyone say
the problem we are facing with all these perfect analysis analogy whatever you are doing is we should allow the legal system to be independent. Sure, university they are working. University structure is clear. Udru how to me ko say unya position you ko we free wa utimi sa be say okay university rule na on say NPP bar for front na Napoye education minister o issue say wa professor bia wanya 65 bia no kofie meboa you see it didn't work go university mremu no almost say the person on invest no permanent relationship professor no be define who a professor is, associate professor and full professor. These are all clear there. Minim what is going on in the legal sector. But senka yema ba Ghana Bar Association emwa ne follow sa omwa niema emo obi koduru sa position na enka president eni say ewo omo so sa. The problem is yehu that position as one of the key organs of the government. But Obia Omanhene unim say Obia all right to appoint Ibia has the same right to disappoint. And say yema say the ekwan ye faso yi speaker of parliament. Okay, MPs na no mo dia brum. Ubeye den no akwa babin. Even when MPP was in power, you had a speaker no here from the other side. I think it's a constitutional review no, to take some of these matters into consideration.
Okay.
Strictly, now a way of strengthening the judicial system, that side of the government, you know. And then the baby, and yes, idea, a baby, a bassy, and a
Mamenya birthday, Sammy Crobia horses here. A special happy birthday to Frederick Echampon, Achi of Kesben Media. Happy birthday to you, Frederick Echampon, from the morning show crew of Sompa. Yeah, Grace. Yeah, your birthday is why? Are you there?
Actually, I don't know about.
Okay. Yes. Frederick Echampon of Kesben Media, a member of the FA and also the treasurer to Ghana Olympic Committee. Abrantia, former parliamentary candidate for Ahafano South, I think Southeast or Southwest.
East.
On the ticket of MPP. Yes. Happy birthday to you, Kofi Yamotrinkwa. You are a wonderful person and a career. You're unfaced. I know one day you go to Parliament. I know. I am so sure one day you'll be a member of parliament. May the Lord enlarge your coast. Happy birthday to Sheila Agana of Bibiani Old Compound. Sheila Agana. This is coming from Joe. And Mr. S.K. Benefo, Assistant Research Scientist, CSIR Soil Research Institute. This is coming from Boama. Nana Joa of Ejoso. Today is your birthday. Very much drone. He sends that to you. And Princess Udra Ejapon. This coming from your parents. Happy birthday, sweet sis. Ya Jemfua Benedicta. Ya Jemfua Benedicta of Accra. Nana Puku Frefre sends this to you. Krobia.
All right. But if he said, yeah, Minia, Doc, I cannot catch that, in the wisdom of Dr. Hubert, he said, you can't fight government. In the wisdom of Dr. Hubert, na obin to me, and so and fight government enwini nti kama mini nyai ana maame no azu say he will exhaust all the avenues the law grants her na watimi ayede awie and was exhausting all the avenues na still no when to me and succeed. Then it becomes a precedent. Almost a man or a lawyer ni while rising through the ranks of the learned Chief Justice. Nye or baby and your lawyer be a credibility me attaining that height. And to the mammy, Yammy say, oh, me Nikrana opposite or exhausted all the legal remedies or the and avenues of walk. Nasa we no one succeed na. It comes back. Now be a precedent. Says lawyers the omupe. And the brebedra obed ma cite sa case no. Our court wabra o di a case of similar nature. Na odiaka. But you see, for how long and obe sa ekunwe? For how long? And now we see our 6 cases pending in Ghanaian court, 3 at international court, making 9. And to our do is it to be our court? The question is, but you see, Mami as okay, everybody will say, almost a breach the fundamental human right into the court. Edu be I say court. Na yes yamani judge BM Crown Supreme Court and also petitioners no and canesa. In all these processes and in all legal luminaries that I have listened to their interviews and writings. Am I? Obi Enwa of faulted the President of the Republic for sidestepping his authority mandated by law. I just said the processes, you know, from the word go to Baby Ayabadri, President Mahama was completely not at fault or has not breached any constitutional, mandate. Sompa or why the why? Anti media the can say, men casama meaning because I some no court. So Bejaya and Kawansa Gusunya Day and court. Then comes to minority in parliament. Filing a motion. Or my the Bianam was Sembia Metaka say you be resorted to arms. Now you have the resolve your issue there. That is why the court, which is the law, is there for us to test. Parliament and so and the yamra na judiciary is why they I interpret emrano but on yes good enti yan try almost speaker beba nyame ya adoma next week speaker ba na oma file motions na wie na speaker he say omo wo enyina so a speaker will do the needful say omo ni nyina so a the mere fact say we file motion halting the vetting of nominated Chief Justice Mr. Paul Bafuboni. And no one guarantee say what filing it was a Parliament eja na juma and our Parliament enkoso envetino speaker will come omukra wuti omomusi speaker ba omere say assembly ebeba omako to the standing orders speaker so ye emranim ni for a very long time. In fact, obey speaker no na the most seniors. It will name standing orders. No, the majority side also knows the standing orders, same as the minority. And the omni tentamswa. No be a court, no be a court, no the trade. If the speaker will give a ruling, say motion is upheld or motion is overruled. Now, baby, a dano near the atom. Now, minority say. Attorney General Yewra Dr. Ayini Akrutinga Dominic Ayini populism. Why that? Yet to ha na electoral commission of BB let the citizen know and let the public know and let the citizen know every step of the way. The Electoral Commission will come and address the media, to which Ghana phone in house by a day, every free media for a day. Because my Ghana in go Electoral Commission conference room, and he will address the media. No more so come what is wrong? Sir Attorney General, Edin some Ababa Tuja, Edu Brebino, okay, Kwabena Edubuahe. A case no minority no odum okwadu wachina woni kwadu bi odebono wachina woni kwadu bi odebono okay untumi de woni kwadu bi odebo untumi woni kwadu bi odebono wachina is esen na dadwe ha ne mre kwa okay ni nyina and they will say there be the mo kan nyina mate periodically I will come on, I will meet the press, I will address the nation. Say asem way. Baby aya pempen so akodro nie. Asem way. Kwadu we ni e de abono. Kwadu 24 Attorney General e de abo Yewra Hadnan, former Buffer Stock CEO, was squander over 73 million Ghana cedis. Aka krane keka ko 1 trillion. Sika brantia no ko afa allegedly. Adintina oma ntie. Don't forget the key word that we promise a reset. As government, yanya ye babam ne promise a reset. In all our campaigns, our MPP focus say reset there. Na obesay bibia wo manim abaye foforo. Now I am taking opportunity on your radio and on your TV to answer them yes. Sir, boni we akoswe, let the law take its course. Case biako court. Let's proceed the matter in court. Don't call the Attorney General names. Oh my, let's be real as Ghana for. She Japan. Omo agric minister or your former agric minister. Almost say owo abemu as a Greek minister no. Or did they sikabi from individuals because from individuals because what they pushing the political agenda. And or Kofi Wilmon say that act that he did was against the ethics of the professional politics. The man has been sentenced to death.
Sarkozy, former French
Prime Minister,
a president.
yes.
Almost say, or they have investigated who say, Sikabi free Gaddafi Hoko ne honti. Or go jail.
Yes, President Jacob Zuma. And important, you need some He was cited for contempt and he was put to jail. Nobody spoke, nobody said a word. Why is it that in our nation, Ghana, so Biti Bonia, we want to cover that person with political colors?
You are part of it. Your
And
party
it's wrong.
did it.
No, it's wrong.
As we speak, now, there is a fugitive of law in Ghana.
Okay,
Said now.
okay.
He has been jailed in absentia. I was saying Kabane by and so you're interested. And Kawatimi Cop, I'm a interpo aquachino. Are you getting me? Because Sika Odi, you know, Ghana for Mammy for or more a day. Or more ejashi near this Sika man and so on Fanko Homo. Bibia dia dance, say, ye born no or Kwaba Ujani, you know, and there only Ghana. Yeah, sentencing or Ghana. And now we drew also called the prison. Are you getting me?
Yes, on your mind.
Adia and Matt Tebe Crabia, Adia man nipa B.
So nyamba.
Are Shemu, Ewa, Abino Swabi, or Becca said, now you are witch hunting people, you are doing travesty of justice. And they say, there were people who were also in court, and some people are Attorney General Chemwa and the agent. Kokubu Ahene of Fosu,
For some,
for case. It was waste of time. And then that's what that.
Yes.
There were other issues, opening there, and then back and forth time. But secondly, now I'm do baby. I was say defense be open the case. I will be here and him say, I doubt that your friend say, call his dad a court no $200 million. Your government is not interested. Now you are interested in some money which the $200 million no crowd also channel. 78 million Ghana cedis. Any $200 million the end so. It is a ujabi. Now you give people room to speak.
and you are right. And then make us say, Metia as NDC, I also have my personal opinion. I will say, Sanyo may be a course, in a way. I also disagree I also disagree in principle.
Can straight.
But it does not also stop, say, and these are violence prosecuting.
That's it. And I make it say, oh my, they be as me can say.
You didn't come on my head.
Maybe I don't ask me can say.
Wrap up.
Crime. Any expiry date.
Oh, definitely.
A case that you choose to discontinue today, for whatever reasons that you place on the matter, one government may, choose to reopen
the case
and
prosecute. That's
the beyond the your point is been opportunity. I'm say, I am not sure. Senyankopon Maya, and this will be in government till thy kingdom come. One day we will also come to back, and the MPP will do worse. The very things we are doing now, the MPP is crying that the very things they did in government during their tenure, now they are saying that the NDC is also doing worse, which means almost any opportunity, they will also do worse. So
all right.
The opportunity, so on my way,
some year
diligently and be cautious. They also want to call president for a board for a parliament for, but be a step of the way because at the end, that's all about Russia.
That's how before you be almost ministers. I am frail.
Exactly.
Sika so far, woman say.
Mrs. Tabako Germany, a friend of Elizabeth Nana Kwansa or say, on the crew of Germany, as you could be the Cologne said they were Germany. Good. Until honor war and okay. I know what that 40.
Yeah, man, happy birthday, pa. Dr. Hubert said, we are ready. I was a for the Musi Hanomona. Or don't do me any achna, Jumedia, I have to the Friday special about the debate lingers on. Stay with us. It's time for full time.